What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? Happy Sunday. We getting there, guys. We getting there. Got my electrician. Got the light up. Got the wire inside the wall. This is called channeling, guys. This is a brick wall right here. This is a brick wall, so we had to channel that brick to get that electrical wire in that wall because I didn't like that. I didn't like it on top of the brick. So we channeled that wire to bring it to the light. See all these bags here. I was gonna do tile over top of tile, but I didn't. So they tore out the tile in the bathroom and put them all in the bags. These bags are heavy, guys. Let's walk to the bathroom. Got this stuff cleaned out. As you can see, guys, these guys, man. Got the door rack up, the door rock. You know, the door rack up. Got the green drywall. So it's coming along, guys. It's definitely coming along. Do rock is so, guys. When you put the tile up, you know, sometimes water can get, you don't want your, some people use door rock, guys. Some people use drywall right here, but you know, some people don't like that because you can grow mold because water can get between some cracks and create mold. So it's coming along. We're gonna put tile all over the bathroom, guys. We're gonna put tile on top of tile on the floor though. So we're not gonna take the tile up on the floor, we're just gonna put it on top. I'm gonna reglaze the tub, which cost me it's gonna cost me about maybe $300. That's another hack, guys, when you invest. You don't need to replace the tubs, guys. This is cast iron, guys. This is cast iron. Just reglaze the tubs, guys. Just good as new. Trust me, it's good as new. Got to give me another light, vanity light for the bathroom. It's coming along. They're doing a good job. As you see, I put the place where you can hold the soap and put your shampoo, things like that. Little holder right there. They did a good job with that. Got the GFI. In every bathroom and kitchen, guys, you got to have a GFI light. Remember that. GFI lights must be, switches. GFI switches must be in the bathroom and be in the kitchen. That's cold. It's cold. Got the furnace, the utility closet built. Let me step back so you guys can see that. Got the utility closet built for the furnace and the water heater. It's coming along, guys. I'm excited. Got to replace the window. Old tenant bust the window out. Got us. I think I should maybe get like 2 new windows. I'm not sure. Need to sell this water heater. Put it on Facebook Market. You know, it's coming along, guys. It's coming along. Hope you guys are doing well on this Sunday. Meditating, going to the gym, staying healthy, or whatever. Building meaningful relationships with people. You know. Another closet for this room. Reset lights came out. It's coming along, guys. It's coming along. They got to cut this access panel. This is where the main water valve is for this unit. How they call my plumber. See, we framed up the bulkhead. It's gonna be a bulkhead. You want to frame it up. I would stay with the U smaller. I would stay with the I don't have to talk with them. But this is all gonna be framed up, guys, and go straight across. I want them to bring it closer. I wish. Let me. But yeah, this is the bulkhead, guys. I'm gonna frame it. I'm gonna see if we can bring it close, but I guess not because you got the wires and stuff like that running across the copper lines and the AC lines running across. So okay, I get it. I get it. But yeah, happy Sundays, guys. Stay blessed and invest. And I'm out.